Hi, this is unboxing time. This time I'm going to unbox the latest and greatest phone from Xiaomi. Yes, you are right. This is the mighty flagship killer, the Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro. So let's get started the unboxing. Wow, as I mentioned, this is the box of Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro. Wow, the box is pretty good and premium looking. Though it's pretty empty, but a little information about this device identity and about its RAM and ROM. This is a 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage version, and obviously you can see it's a Chinese ROM version. So let's open the box here. And right at the top, we just have this white box, which is some papers, probably a case, a SIM ejector, a USB-C to 3.5 mm headphone jack connector. It's an alpha and white color version, and it's really a great looking color. This is the Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro. It's a look familiar, that's because its design resembles pretty much of the Mi Note 10 from the end of the last year. The new Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro also has a 108 megapixel main sensor, although the main dissimilarities of the Mi 10 Pro is Qualcomm new flagship chipset, Snapdragon 865 processor, which unlocks some of the best features like 5G connectivity, Wi-Fi 6 and 8K video recording. More inside the box, we can see a all-new 65-watt fast charger, which is blazing fast. You can also charge your regular laptop with this fast charger. And here is a USB Type-A to USB Type-C connector cable. So open the box. Here is a SIM ejector at the top, a USB-C to 3.5 mm audio connector, some papers and manuals. And very transparent looking protective case. It has also some good design in the back and it feels good to grab. So finally uncovered the phone to feel its full beauty. It has 4 camera setup at the back. 108 megapixel main shooter from Samsung, 12 megapixel 2x telephoto lens from Samsung, 20 megapixel ultra wide lens from Sony, and 5x 8 megapixel optical zoom lens from OmniVision. And now I am going to turning on the device. As you can see, it's MIUI 11. And now I'm going to complete all the necessary initial setups one by one. So this is the alpha in white color. It has a little bit of matte feel. It's a nice feel in the hand. It doesn't feel like it's gonna get fingerprints. It also changing the colors from different viewing angle. And yes, finally the phone has started. Though there are some of the Chinese apps built in this China ROM, you can still delete all the apps from your device easily. I am going to check the camera of this phone and going to take some photos. It has plenty of details and accurate color balance in all 4 cameras. Here are some sample photos from all the 4 cameras that I had taken. I am going to review the cameras more deeply in the upcoming videos, and I'm also planning to review the performance also. So stay tuned for all the upcoming videos.